How to add texture to your decor can seem like a tricky task, but it doesn't have to be. You might feel like something's missing in your home, and I have to admit, it's often texture that makes the difference. Adding texture can transform your space, making it feel cozy and inviting. Early on, I discovered how simple changes can have a big impact, and today I'll share those tips with you. Now let's talk about specific tips and tricks to achieve a perfect mix of textures in your home decor. First, it's important to start with a base texture. This could be your sofa, bed, or any large piece of furniture. A neutral fabric like linen or cotton works well as a base. Once your base is set, you can build on it by adding different textures. For example, if your sofa is a smooth cotton, try adding a chunky knit throw or some velvet pillows. Layering is key to mixing textures. This means combining different textures in one space. Try putting a sleek metal lamp next to a wooden table, or adding a fluffy rug under a leather chair. The contrast between different textures looks great. It can be tricky at first to know what works, but starting with contrasting materials often gives good results. Experiment with different combinations to see what you like best. Using a variety of fabrics is another great way to add texture. You can mix and match fabrics like silk, wool, and velvet. A silk curtain paired with the woolen throne on your couch can add a touch of elegance and warmth to your room. Early on, it's a good idea to go through your fabric choices and see how they work together. Don't forget about natural elements. Wood, stone, and plants can all add texture to your space. A wooden coffee table, stone coasters, and a few potted plants can create a balanced, earthy feel. Natural textures also bring a sense of calm and can be very grounding. For instance, place a wooden tray on a stone countertop or use wicker baskets for storage. Texture can also be added through accessories. Items like baskets, throw pillows, and wall art can introduce new textures without a major overhaul. For example, woven baskets can be used for storage while adding a rustic touch to your room. Pillows with different fabrics and patterns can be mixed to create a cozy and inviting space. Walls shouldn't be ignored when adding texture. Textured wallpaper, paint techniques like sponging or rag rolling, and even textured wall art can make a big difference. A simple way to add texture to your walls is by hanging a large piece of woven art or a macrame wall hanging. These items add dimension and can be a focal point in your room. Combining smooth and rough textures can create a balanced look. If you have a smooth leather couch, adding a rough, chunky knit blanket can create an interesting contrast. Similarly, a glossy ceramic vase next to a through-stone sculpture can add depth to your decor. These contrasts help to keep the eye moving and make the space feel more dynamic. Mixing patterns is another way to add texture. Stripes, checks, and florals can all be mixed to create an interesting look. A striped rug with floral pillows and a checked throw can add layers of texture and pattern to your room. Just be sure to keep the color palette cohesive to avoid a cluttered look. It's also helpful to keep a color scheme in mind. Using a consistent color palette while mixing textures can create a cohesive look. If your color scheme is neutral, add textures in shades of white, beige, and gray to keep the room looking harmonious. If you prefer bold colors, mix textures in the same color family for a vibrant and unified space. Experimenting with different textures can really enhance your room's style. Remember to play with the scale of textures. Large, chunky items can be balanced with smaller, finer textures. For example, a big textured rug can look great with a small, detailed lamp. This balance keeps the room from feeling overwhelming and adds interest without clutter. Lighting can also enhance the textures in your room. Different lighting can highlight various textures and add to the overall feel of the space. A soft, warm light can make fabrics like velvet and wool feel even cozier, while a bright, white light can highlight the sleekness of metal and glass. Editing your space is also crucial. Too many textures can make a room feel cluttered. After adding different textures, take a step back and see how everything works together. Removing one or two items can often make a big difference and help the room feel balanced. Mixing textures in your decor doesn't have to be difficult. By starting with a base, layering different materials, and adding natural elements, you can create a warm and inviting space. Early on, you might find it challenging, but with practice, it will become second nature. Your home will not only look stylish, but will also feel cozy and welcoming. Check out the link in the description below for products that can help you achieve this look. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.